This is marketing terms you pretend to understand, but you actually don't. Wait a second. Let me save your GPA. First years, listen up. This one is for you. Term number one, target market. This is basically the people who would buy your product. This is not your mom. This is not your bestie. This is the people who have the money to buy a product and who wants to buy the product. And term number two, we have value proposition. So this question here is why would people buy your product instead of all the other businesses that are out there? If your brand was a person, no, if your brand was a person, this would be your main character energy. Number three, we have brand identity. This is the colors, fonts, vibes, and everything that your brand gives up. So if your brand walked into a class, what aesthetic would she be? Clean girl, kawaii, soft baddie? The fourth term we have today is SEO. This is basically like telling Google, hey bestie, please show my website first. And you just sprinkle keywords everywhere like seasoning. Next up we have is ROI. ROI stands for return on investment. It's basically when you spend money, no? Did the money that you spend, did that money come with friends? If yes, we celebrate, but if no, we cry. But keep it aesthetic.